Happy holidays. I'm Rolf Fallen, and today I'm gonna teach you how to fakie, no comply, ghetto bird. This is the foot positioning. As you can see, the popping foot is right in the pocket. So it's gonna be really easy to make the pressure hard flip. And the other foot, in a way, is flat so that you're able to come off the board and just put your left foot on the ground. Now, the tricky thing is to jump, and then you wanna pivot. You wanna land on your back foot, and then you wanna turn around and do the rest of the 180. It's a fun trick. It's not really that difficult. It's not that common, so hopefully you can learn it. Thank you for watching.